What's in the box?
So guys, the likes of Sir Ronster, Edwin Golding, and finally Tyler Monaghan have gotten the best of me. I decided to do it. I bought a freaking child's toy.
3, 2, 1, second plate.
Yeah. Hey. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Yeah. I do not miss. Hey. Started from Cali and now I got bitches in Europe.
I can't believe I did this.
So at this point you might be asking, Connor, why the f did you buy a child's dirt bike that goes 14 miles per hour? Well, this is why.
Ahead of the curve. For me to put pen down the paper, you gotta show me that you know what I'm worth. Yeah.
That's right, we bought this thing to convert it into a 72-volt beast. For those non-electric folk out there, that's about 10 times the power of stock and on par with a 110 pit bike. Except, it's less than half the weight. So, needless to say, this thing is gonna rip. Now, best of all, it's gonna be silent. So I should be able to ride this thing anywhere without disturbing anyone, hopefully getting no complaints, and staying under the radar of cops.
Well guys, here she is, completely built and she looks freaking sweet. This is the Razor MX500. It's a children's electric dirt bike, but we've obviously got big plans for it. Now right now, I've got this thing on the charger, so we're gonna let this charge. It has to charge for 12 hours on the first charge. We might not wait 12 hours because we're gonna get rid of this battery and motor anyways, so we'll see, but I'll see you on the bike very soon. All right, maiden voyage, turn her on. Oh, I need to put my pedal down. Completely silent, dude. Dude, not enough power to do that. I wonder if I can do a little circle wheelie. Woo! There you go, John. There you go, you can see it in the light. Number 4. Got the big one and the little one. All right, guys. The GoPro's not working for some reason, but we're gonna rip a little maiden voyage on the Razor MX. Rip around here real quick. I don't know what's good with my GoPro. I think it might be the batteries, but this thing goes decently quick. Going like 12 miles an hour maybe. So guys, I realized the sound with the wind is pretty bad, but anyways, as I was saying, we actually already ordered the Electro & Co kit for this, so it's gonna be a 72-volt battery, upgraded controller, upgraded motor, also getting the 4-piston brakes, so this thing is gonna be an absolute shredder. Like I mentioned before, it's gonna have the power of a 110, but it's gonna be basically half the weight. But yeah, guys, she is gonna be an absolute shredder with that upgraded kit. Electro & Co said it takes about 2 to 3 weeks to get it, so, you know, probably like a month maybe till we see this content on the channel. But definitely stay tuned. There's gonna be a lot coming with this little thing. First drop. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will catch you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And